In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add color to text block in Notion. Whether you are organizing notes, building a dashboard, or just making a page easier to scan, adding color can help you emphasize the most important information without clutter. First, a quick note on what we're changing. In Notion, everything lives inside a block. You can color the text itself, or you can add a background highlight behind the text. Text color is great for subtle emphasis, while a background color stands out more like a highlighter. Whichever you choose, aim for good contrast so your page stays readable. Let's start with the quickest mouse-based method. Hover your cursor over the block you want to color. When you do, you'll see a small 6-dot icon appear to the left of the block. Click that 6-dot icon to open the block menu. From this menu, select Color. When you click Color, you'll see a list of options. Choose a color for the text itself, or pick a background color if you want a highlight effect. Notion gives you a simple palette. And as you pick, you'll see the block update, making it easy to confirm you've got the look you want. If you prefer working from the keyboard, T here is a / command. In a new block, type / followed by the name of the color, like /red for red text, or /blue background for a blue highlight behind the text. Then press Enter to apply the color. This is a great way to keep your hands on the keyboard and stay in the flow. You can also use the inline formatting menu. When the formatting menu appears, click the A drop-down from there. Choose either a text color or a background color. This approach is helpful if you are already editing content and want a visual menu right where you are working. For speedy consistency across multiple blocks, use the keyboard shortcut to repeat your last color choice. With a block selected, press Command, Shift, and H on Mac, or Control, Shift, and H on Windows. This applies the last used color instantly, which is perfect when you are styling several sections in a row. A few quick pointers as you style. Pick 2 or 3 colors and stick to them for a cohesive look. Use background highlights for key callouts or headers. And use text colors for subtler cues. If you switch themes, glance over your colors to make sure they still read well. That's all you need to add color to text blocks in Notion. Thanks for watching.